G'day you mob, Pete here from Aussie English, and this is another episode of the Aussie Slang series, the whole point of which is to teach you Australian slang words and expressions that are used in, you guessed it, Australia, in the land of Oz, down under. So today, guys, I'm going to teach you how to use this ruder slang term. It's definitely informal, okay? Why? Because it has the word shit in it, okay? All right, so don't use this in formal company, in formal situations, but with friends, with family who are obviously okay with you swearing. Under that assumption, it's probably fine to use, okay? Not in front of small children. I'm having to learn to not swear anymore in front of my kids as well. So, that's how it is. All right, so the expression is to always be in the shit, or to be always in the shit, always in the shit. If you are in the shit, it means that you are in trouble, right? That you are having a bad time because someone's angry at you. You are in trouble. You are in the shit. Always in the shit. I am often in the shit when I forget to clean up after I do some cooking. And my wife comes into the kitchen. She's like, Pete, there is shit everywhere. Another informal way of using that term. There's stuff everywhere. Pete, you've left a mess. You've made a mess. There's shit everywhere. You're in the shit. So you're in trouble now, Pete. I do that periodically. I do that all the time. So I am always in the shit. Maybe you are a small child and you're at primary school, you're a little girl and you're constantly making noise in class when you should be quiet. You're constantly getting into trouble with the teacher. You're always in the shit. Though at school, being a small child, the teacher is likely not to swear and instead will say you're always in trouble. You're a naughty girl. You're always in trouble. Anyway, guys, my challenge for you, if you are watching this video on the Aussie English TV YouTube channel, is to comment below and tell me, were you ever in the shit when you were a kid? Were you always in the shit? Did you get up to mischief? Or maybe you have children who are always in the shit, right? So try and use it in a comment below and let me know that. If you want to listen to this episode, instead of watch it, you can get it on the Aussie English podcast. Download my free podcast application. Just search Aussie English either in the iPhone or Android App Store. You can also find it via any other good podcast player, something like Spotify, Stitcher, or Apple Podcasts. And for everything else Aussie English, guys, go to aussieenglish.com.au. I'm Pete, I'm your host. This is Aussie English, and I'll see you next time.